Let me show you how you can use groundcover to pinpoint cross-AZ traffic in your environments in minutes. We start with the Explore page, where we can see all of the metrics available in the groundcover platform. Specifically, we're looking at network metrics, and we are filtering for cross-availability zone traffic only, grouping by service and the remote service that is communicating. We can take a look at the services which are generating the most cross-AZ traffic. And we can see there are some services which seem to be generating more of this traffic than others. So it's a good place to start and investigate. We can jump into the service page for one of these services and go to the service map. And here we can see all of the communication that this service was issuing, both as a client and as a server. And from the previous view, we know that we are looking for the communication between these two specific services. And if we click, we can actually get the full list of APIs that were generated between those two services. So we already have a really good way to start investigating what is this traffic and why is it happening. But it doesn't end here. We can go ahead and actually filter by just the cross-AZ communication. Doing that will show us just the very specific and relevant traces that we're actually interested in. And each of these, thanks to groundcover's eBPF sensor, actually has the full payload, the full headers, all of the data for each of the requests and response that was happening, that was cross-AZ. And using this full unfiltered data about each of those spans with all of this context in one place, we can get to the bottom of things really quickly. We can figure out, was this intended? Should this be cross-AZ? Maybe it cannot be cross-AZ. Using groundcover, we can get all of this data and more in minutes.